Hey, did you get lost?
No, I don't know what.
Yes. I found her. I found her. Hey. Talking
Finally,
to the vlog right now.
hey.
Finally get her in the vlog and finally seen her after months.
I know.
And months. It's okay, yeah. I know you've been busy.
With school, I'm taking summer classes.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
But I'm thinking we can do a different vlog instead of like the camera thing. We can do that still too. But I was thinking like we can do a comparison between Bird and Lime Bike. She doesn't know what the scooters are.
I've seen them, okay?
That's what they're called, is the Bird and Lime Bike.
There's two different
There's
scooters.
two different types, yeah. There's Bird and there's Lime Bike.
Okay.
We're gonna do a comparison.
Why you gotta make me do physical activity?
Because you're not even, you sent me a picture of what you're in an outfit right now. I'm like, oh, that looks like
So
it could be like.
inspired you. Okay.
Oh, it looks like you're able to do some active wear.
Is Fergie coming?
We can't bring Fergie.
Oh,
You won't be able to ride on the scooter though.
Alright, I'll download
yeah.
Bird.
And I already have the Lime Bike app. So.
Is it BYR?
I don't know actually. Anyway, let me look it up. There's already a scooter nearby. So we're gonna snap that. And then hopefully the Bird one's close by too. And you gotta enter your email.
Oh.
Yeah.
Enter email. Does that mean there's one?
There's one over there. It's
God
over there,
almighty.
it's not too far. That's actually not too far, I don't think. But there's one closer right that way.
Oh, I've been to Moo and Brew.
Yeah, so we can go that way.
Do you want to grab those
Yeah,
two?
we can go, we can do
I hope
that.
no one's riding these.
That one just looked a little bit.
This one's 75%
Okay,
charge.
yeah, this is pretty good. So we need to go over there.
Right. Ready to get this show on the road?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go.
Oh my god, can I bring your dog? Across the street.
Across the street? Oh, you see it? Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. I gotta find this Lime scooter.
I need to cancel this shit.
So you just press that red lever and pull it down? Yeah. There you go. Alright, so now we found the Bird bike, our Bird scooter. Hell yeah. Full battery too. Justine, I found it! Time to see which one's better in regards to everything from tech, overall comfortability, everything.
My wheels are bigger, so I'm gonna absorb bumps a little bit easier than you are, and you have all the gear.
I know I have so much gear right now. Oh god. Justine and I are at Greg Newberry's place. He's vlogging while I'm vlogging.
Vlogging each other. Vlog wars. What's up, Greg? What's up, Mark? Good to see you again.
I know, right?
Yeah. Let's get in the vlog.
Yeah, get in
and,
the vlog. Yeah. We're at Neon Weekend.
We're at Neon Weekend,
Yeah.
and we were talking about how like I woke up in a pile of like how many ants?
Ants in your butthole?
Yeah, they were everywhere. They were literally everywhere. Right here.
Thank you for the footage, Greg.
Absolutely. Thank you for this cool rig you gave me. Check this out.
Oh yeah, the spider rig. What else you got in there?
Broken P3, which actually we still have a working one in that case right there. The staple engagement session.
Oh, nice.
Hold up. Oh
you go.
yeah.
The thing that I love the most is it literally sounds like a little speeder from Star Wars. It's like first week that they had him, after the week afterwards too, they took him away for a little bit because they didn't have all the like paperwork right.
Yeah, you have to have your license with you. No riding on sidewalks.
Yeah, see, I told you. We're gonna do some drone footage actually with this.
Drone footage.
The drone footage.
What?
I'm about to be bankrupt from a scooter.
This will be the last thing, and then we can put the scooters back. See ya. All right, bye-bye. Almost ran into it. Sheer fear. All right, we're done with the scooters now. We'll
Definitely better than the bikes, for sure.
Oh, so much better. So much faster. We're trying to figure out which one's faster. I can't tell. They're both the same speed.
I think they go the same speed, but the difference is like this one doesn't have like the speed or anything. It
Yeah,
doesn't
you're
tell you
not
how fast you're going. The light, but so it got a light right there, but I think
It
it's
should turn on automatically, right?
I think it's attached to this, and this thing's kind of busted. So
It all depends on your preference.
this is like the minimalistic one.
Yeah.
This is the millennial one.
Yeah. Millennial.
Minimalistic.
I don't know which one wins.
It's a good tie.
It's a good tie. I mean, the other one's bigger wheels, but does that really make a difference? I feel like maybe, but there's not too much shock
There's
absorbance.
not really shock absorbers
No.
on it. I don't know. I think we would need to do another test, but like a hardcore parkour test.
Hardcore parkour, we would have to literally put them through a lot of stuff.
But I'm not paying for that, so.
We'd have to pay for an entire scooter to
Another
break
day,
them. Yeah.
another person.
Exactly.
Cool.
All right, that's the end of the vlog.
See you guys.
Peace.